This might be one of the most luxurious Middle Eastern sweets you'll ever try. Silky, buttery, infused with saffron and finished with deep salted caramel notes. Instead of keeping it all to myself, I packed it into little gift boxes for my friends. First, we are making the saffron. Grind a generous pinch of saffron with a little sugar until it's completely powdered. Add a small ice cube, then pour over a little boiling water. That quick temperature shock helps release every bit of its color and aroma. Set it aside to bloom. Next, crack open 5 green cardamom pods. Grind the seeds into a fine powder. Freshly ground cardamom makes all the difference. Set it aside. In a bowl, whisk together 200 grams of milk powder with 300 grams of cold water until completely smooth. Set that aside for later too. The key to making a smooth caramel is patience. Add 450 grams of sugar in thin layer and resist the temptation to stir while some sugar crystals are still melting. Only stir once that layer has completely melted into a liquid caramel. Keep repeating the thin layer until all the sugar has turned into a beautiful golden caramel. Low heat is the secret here, don't rush it. Carefully pour in 900 grams of boiling water. The caramel will seize up at first, don't panic. Keep stirring over the heat until it melts back into a smooth syrup. Then turn off the heat, add 80 grams of vegetable oil, then slowly pour in the milk mixture through a fine sieve while stirring constantly. This keeps everything perfectly smooth. Now add 70 grams of butter, stir until melts. Now add your bloomed saffron, 100 grams of rose water, and the freshly ground cardamom. Bring everything to a gentle boil for about 5 minutes. Once it comes to a gentle boil and starts bubbling, remove it from the heat. Meanwhile, sieve 210 grams of cake flour into a clean pan. Toast it over low heat for about 15 minutes, just until the raw smell disappears and the flour turns a light cream color. Pour in the remaining 100 grams of vegetable oil and cook until the mixture becomes silky and smooth. Every flour absorbs oil differently, so if your mixture feels a little dry, add up to 20 more grams of oil until it becomes smooth and silky. Now add the caramel syrup in 3 additions, whisking continuously after each one. By the final addition, switch to a whisk and keep moving quickly. If you stir constantly while pouring, you won't get any lumps. But if you do, a few quick pulses with an immersion blender will bring it right back to this unbelievably smooth texture. While it is still warm, transfer it into serving dishes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more delicious recipes. Smooth the surface and finished with silvered almonds, sliced pistachios, and dried rose petals. I packed mine into little gift containers for my friends, and honestly, this might be one of the most beautiful edible gifts you can make. Creamy, silky, and flavorful. Enjoy!